Creating team buy-in with visual planning tools is one of the most effective ways to align your team's vision, streamline communication, and boost overall productivity. If you're struggling to get your team fully invested in your projects, this is the video for you. I've tested out several of the most popular software tools, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use one of the best to get your team on board, all while making the process smooth and straightforward. First off, let's talk about why visual planning tools are so powerful. It's simple. People are naturally visual. When your team can see how their individual contributions tie into the bigger picture, they're more likely to buy into the vision. Visual planning helps break down complex projects into digestible chunks, making it easier for your team to stay focused, engaged, and motivated. Now, the tool we're using today is one I've tested and used extensively. It's an intuitive software that turns chaos into order. I'll explain how to get started with it and show you how it can instantly improve the way your team collaborates and commits to your goals. If you're interested in following along, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. This trial is only available to my viewers, so make sure you check it out. Let's dive into the main features that help create team buy-in with this software. First, visual timelines are crucial. By mapping out project milestones in a clear, visual way, your team can quickly understand not only the deadlines, but also the sequence of tasks. It's about giving them the roadmap that allows everyone to see how each task contributes to the final goal. The second feature is task assignments with visual tracking. When each team member can see who's responsible for what and track progress in real time, accountability skyrockets. Plus, it keeps everyone engaged because no one's left guessing where things stand or what they need to do next. Third, consider using interactive visuals like flowcharts or Gantt charts. These visuals help everyone stay on the same page by providing clarity around dependencies and timelines. When your team sees how their tasks affect other parts of the project, it promotes a sense of shared responsibility and teamwork, which directly leads to stronger buy-in. One more key feature is collaboration. This tool allows for real-time communication and feedback. Whether your team is remote or in the same office, you can gather input and resolve issues quickly, keeping momentum high. Real-time collaboration fosters transparency, which helps build trust, a crucial element for team buy-in. The last tip I'll share today is consistency. The more your team engages with these visual planning tools, the more comfortable they'll become using them. Make this a regular part of your workflow, and it'll quickly become a habit that boosts both buy-in and productivity across the board. So, what's the key takeaway? Creating team buy-in with visual planning tools isn't just about using fancy software. It's about making sure everyone understands their role, how they fit into the bigger picture, and keeping everyone in the loop with clear visual communication. Quick recap. Start with visual timelines to show the sequence of tasks, assign responsibilities clearly, use flowcharts or Gantt charts to highlight dependencies, foster real-time collaboration, and make sure to use these tools consistently. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.